The inner reel is the spool that the trimmer line is wrapped around. It has a series of tabs on top that, along with the outer spool, allow the trimmer head to feed out more line when it is tapped on the ground. Common problems with the inner reel are wear to the control tabs. This can cause the trimmer head to feed no line or to feed line uncontrollably, and wear to the spool divider that keeps the two pieces of line separate from one another on the spool. This can cause the line to jam and not feed consistently. Replacing the inner reel is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the bump head knob assembly. Just simply unscrews, and then the spool will come off right behind it. There's quite a bit of usable line still on the old spool, so I'm going to remove that line and we'll transfer it over to the new spool. Now wind the line onto the new spool. There's two holes inside of the spool that will accept the line. I'll insert one end of the line into one of those holes and then begin to wrap it. If you're not sure which way to wrap the line, on the back of the spool it tells you and has an arrow showing you which direction to wind. So in this case, we wind this direction. There's my first line. I'll hold that in place while I install the second line. And it wraps in the same direction. Now I've got the line wrapped around the new spool and we're ready to install it back onto the trimmer head. It can be a little difficult to hold these lines in place while you try to install the spool. And if you'll notice on the top of the trimmer head, there's these notches, and these are to hold the line. This trimmer head will accept either 0.065, 0.080, or 0.095 diameter line. In this case, we're using 0.095 diameter. On this notch, it says 0.095, and I can lock the trimmer line into those notches. The notches will hold the lines in place and make it easier as I thread these through the eyelets in the spool. So one line through each eyelet. I'll pull the lines as I bring the spool closer to the trimmer head. Work it onto the spindle. And once I have it inside of the trimmer head, I just pull on the lines. That pulls them out of those notches, and it's ready to go. And now I can just finish up by installing the cap. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.